exactly 20 minutes.
Hi guys, move forward!
And away we go. Hello everybody, my name is Stephanie. I will be your captain and storyboard today aboard the SS Bow. And for your safety, please remain seated and please keep those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Also parents, please supervise those little ones so our story does not take any unexpected turns. And as you can see, our story does not begin through the normal pages of a book. Instead, we'll be going through the Dog Monstro. And Monstro the whale is the exact same one as the wall of Pinocchio, of course, but don't you worry. Where Monstro's tale ends, ours begins. I'd like to welcome you all to Storybook Land. And our first story tonight will be the tale of the Big Bad Wolf, and his cave axe happens to be on our left-hand side, and those three little pigs live safely on our right in their houses made of straw. One made of sticks and one made of 100% wolf-proof bricks. And with a house like that, who's afraid of the Big Bad Wolf? Now just around the river bend, things will take a strange turn. Over here on our left-hand side is where Alice, one golden afternoon, she got a little too curious, and she followed the way around it, down, around, and she went down, down, down,
There are dog and caterpillar and
where Peter Pan and Tinkerbell use some good old faith trust and a little bit of pixie dust to take the three darling children over here on our right hand side. And up ahead, it's the big magical enchanted city of Agrabah. Now this is where Aladdin and Jasmine first met in the street market down below. And thankfully, they did have a friend like Genie to help them defeat the bar. And now the two live happily ever after, thanks to the help of a friend like Genie. And one Arabian night, Aladdin brought Princess Jasmine on a magical journey through the archways above you as they went over, sideways, and under on their magic carpet ride to share a whole new world. And one unbelievable sight is the Cave of Wonders up ahead. We'll take a look at where Aladdin obtained Genie's lamp that gave him those three wishes. It has also been said that if you make one wish inside, it just might come true. Just don't be tempted by the cursed treasure inside as you pass Genie's lamp. And over here on our right-hand side is the cozy forest cottage where Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs live. On the right, the Seven Dwarfs allowed Snow White to stay there and thanks for her kindness. And you can still hear the Seven Dwarfs off at work, high on away in the mud kind of cottage. And if we're lucky, we might even get to hear them whistling as they work. Now on our left-hand side is the Cinderella, which began to the ball. When our stepmother first fingers and boys, her fairy godmother was able to grant her wish. And when the clock struck the ball, our coach stood back until 130, so seen on the bridge on the left-hand side, practicing nine trees. They promote that was true love is not. And Prince Charming was still able to find Cinderella thanks to the glass slipper she left behind. And over here on our left-hand side, it's the giant patchwork quilt. It is inspired by the 1933 TV Simpsons cartoon television. All of these kinds of sentiments are in fact real, and they'll never ever grow and thanks to these stems by Tinkerbell. Using links to the trees on your right, you will be able to see how that works with pixie dust. And folks, it's just magic like that this place was one of Master Storyteller's Walt Disney's favorite places to be in. we're going to give the boat ahead of us just a little more space and time to tell their own tale. And there are many stories here in Storybook Land, and one of those will be the older one of the Tale of the Wind in the Willows. Up ahead is Toad Hall, where Mr. Toad, Mole, and Rat all together around and have their many adventures. But unfortunately, Mr. Toad is on a tangent and on a wild motor car ride going nowhere in particular. And we can still take a listen to all of our friends. Through the woods and into that mountaintop, take a look at the ice castle that Queen Elsa made, and don't worry folks, the cold never bothered her anyways. On our left hand side is the Queen of the and also this and up ahead, coming up on our right hand side, is the all-white village where Geppetto created Pinocchio, and where Pinocchio wished to become a real-life boy. Now that wish upon a star did come true after surviving Monstro, just like we did earlier on our voyage. And to our left, turn lights are still on at Wandering Oaken, Trading Post, and Tunnel. Now, coming up on our right-hand side, past the tunnel, you will see the chaos near the reef where a little mermaid named Ariel wished to become a part of our world. On our right-hand side, Ariel and Prince Eric now live happily ever after defeating Ursula on our right. And on our left is that city of Atlantica where all her I'd like to remind everybody on my dock side to please watch those hands, or just fingers, and for everybody aboard, please remain seated until my count of 3, so no one else take a trip under the sea. Thank you all folks, and have a great rest of your night at Disneyland.
Sorry. Okay.